The employer covenant measures the ability of an employer to meet its pension obligations. This task can be very complex because of the long-term nature and often very large size of pension scheme liabilities. Or put simply, its responsibilities. Lots of different measures are used to judge an employer's covenant strength, such as its financial position, past performance, and future outlook. Crucially, the financial strength of the employer depends on the size of its pension obligations. A covenant assessment has a big influence on the assumptions used in the scheme's 3-yearly valuation. If an employer has a weaker covenant, this may mean a larger deficit and more cash is needed to fund the section. For an employer with a stronger covenant, the trustee will be more confident that the employer may be strong enough to help fund any shortfall in the section if the assumed investment returns or other key assumptions turn out to be worse than thought. Covenant also affects investment decisions. For sections with weaker employer covenants, the trustee will plan a more cautious investment strategy. This may mean lower returns from investments, but may also reduce risk and volatility. And the opposite is true for stronger covenants, with the trustee looking to invest more of the fund in return-seeking assets such as equities. An employer's covenant can also be affected by corporate transactions such as restructurings, takeovers, or mergers. If these arrangements weaken the employer's covenant strength, steps have to be agreed to protect the scheme's position. Such steps could include parent company guarantees or extra cash paid into the scheme. From late 2010, RPMI has had its own in-house team dedicated to monitoring the employer covenant of all the employers in the Railways pension scheme. This work was previously done by external Big Four accounting firms. The in-house RPMI covenant team advises the Benefits and Funding Committee, which makes employer covenant-related decisions for the Railways pension scheme. The covenant team has helped the trustee secure over £70 million of additional cash for the scheme, together with guarantees and similar agreements with a potential value of over £1 billion as part of negotiations following both the 2010 valuation and corporate transactions.